Honestly, considering how old this car is, the leather's pretty nice. No cracks, very soft leather. Honestly, this interior overall, pretty freaking nice. Oh no, what's that? So ugly, boy. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be fixing the biggest issue with this car. This car was super nice when I got it because it was basically entirely stock, except for this eyesore. The previous owner decided to put in an aftermarket radio, but it looks absolutely horrible. It doesn't even fit the correct shape of this cutout, so there's like a block off plate here. So we're going to be getting rid of it today, finally. The part that actually kills me about this radio is that this is like some peak Fast and the Furious type vibes. Alright, let me show you what I mean. Alright, so as you can see, can you shut up please? Thank you. Alright, as you can see, it's like a normal radio. I think it's off right now. So if I turn it on. Okay, I think it's on, but this LCD display is broken. I think we broke it on the road trip actually. But wait for the actual coolest part about this radio, if there ever is a cool part. Okay, it flips out, boy! But as you can tell, it's broken. And it's making a god-awful noise. Yeah, okay, let's stop that. How do I... Can you close? Close button? Close? Nope. Can I turn it off? Okay, so it turns off. Pretty cool if it worked, but it doesn't work. So we're gonna be ripping this bad boy out and putting in something actually nice. So we're gonna be ripping out the old one and replacing it with this. So this is it. This is the N7 Pro from Dynavin. Honestly, this is probably the most expensive head unit there is out there for the E46s. But I decided to splurge since this is probably something that I'm going to be using every single day. So might as well just go all in for it. So let's go see if it's worth it or if I'm a big dumb idiot. Alright, so step number one, getting rid of all these silver trim pieces so we can get access in there. And I'm hoping I can do it without breaking anything. Oh, okay, it's coming out pretty easily. Probably because this radio's aftermarket anyway, so it's been taken out. Oh, that was pretty easy. And it looks like the clips are fine. Nice. That's one. Oh, what the hell happened here? I started putting so much force on it, I swear I'm gonna break it. Wow, I actually didn't break it. I am astounded. Alright, so now we can start removing things. First, we're going to start with these screws up here that hold this head unit in. Then we can do the climate controls, and then we can get rid of these vents. The climate controls, we're actually going to be moving down here to this empty storage slot that's really useless, so we can make space for the new head unit. So let's get to removing everything here. Garbage. So I wonder if this just slides out. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there's this one wire that's coming out of the back of the head unit that I have absolutely no idea like what it goes to and or how to get it out. So we're just gonna skip it. So just like that, the climate control is out. And then we can get rid of this little cubby thing. And just like that, we have the entire upper portion removed. So as you can see, that looks like an absolute rat's nest of wires. I suck at wiring, so I hope it's just plug and play. And luckily, Dynavin has actually provided us with a HVAC relocation kit. So this should help make everything a lot easier, and we can move our climate controls lower down to make space for the head unit. Alright, so let's get to installing this first. So this piece should replace that piece down there, and we get 2 USB ports. And just like that, with the back of the cigarette socket disconnected, this piece is free. So we just put in our Dynavin climate control relocation bracket underneath here. So our climate controls can just pop right into place and everything fits super nicely. So satisfying. Nice. Now you'll see me put in this white USB dongle, and this dongle actually allows me to run Android Auto and Apple CarPlay from the head unit. Ooh, I just love having modern day technology in an old car. Oh boy, it turned on. Okay. Well, at least we know this works. Let's see if we can buy some tubes.
Big bro, we the ones doing the rest slow. I'll make it happen again. I'll make it happen again. It always slapping again. Light it and pass it again. Know what I'm packing again. I'm an assassin again.
It low-key took me a little bit of time to make sure that the wires were all tucked in behind, just so that it wasn't pushing the head unit out and making it not sit flush. But now that that's done, all we gotta do is screw it in, make sure that it works by testing it, and then pop in the silver trim pieces and we'll be all done.
And with the last trim pieces pop back into place, I think we're just about done. And I must say, it looks fairly nice. It looks like it fits in with everything else. It doesn't, I'm not even sure how this is supposed to go, but I think it's like that. Well, you know how all old cars are. But it's looking pretty nice. Looking like everything lines up correctly. And ooh, I love the orange glow. Matches everything else, like the climate controls. And there we go. Ooh, let me get a good ASMR peel of this screen protector. Jeez! That new, okay. We're gonna turn it on here. Wow, amazing. Dua Lipa, let's get it. But anyways, looking super nice so far. I love the way it looks. So excited to get to using it. Oh my gosh, it's like 2:30 a.m. in the morning, but everything's looking like it works. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get to using it and learning all about it. Woo!
So it's been a few days since we wrapped up the install in the last clip that you saw, but I've been using the head unit and I must say, it is really nice. I love everything about it, like the radio functions, the Bluetooth functions. The navigation, I would say, is the only thing that's like maybe a little bit slow, but I'm always using like Google Maps through my phone or through Android Auto. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay have been absolutely spectacular and I love having it so much. It basically negates all the like weird menu system of the head unit itself, but not to say that the menu is weird or anything, it's just that it's not as nice as Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. But overall, the head unit is absolutely spectacular. Is it worth it spending the extra money over like a cheaper head unit? I have no idea because I didn't buy any of the cheaper ones and I just went straight for the most expensive. But I'm really glad I did because I have basically no regrets and everything is absolutely awesome with the head unit. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Highly recommend getting the N7 Pro from Dynavin, and that'll wrap up today's video. See you guys in the next one.